that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe.
Ay, happy birthday. Sana nagustuhan mo yung hinanda naming surprise para sa'yo. Ito yung gusto namin na ma-spoiled ka kasi wala na si Papa. Sana good health lang lagi, saka huwag ka masyadong magpapaka-stress kasi 60 ka na. Ingatan mo lang yung health mo. Yun lang po, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma.
Forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way.
Ay, Mama, I love you and I wish you all the best in life. I hope you enjoy your day and hoping for more birthdays and good health, of course. And yeah, happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
It's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama! I hope you enjoy today and lagi lang tayong happy and enjoy every moment. Kahit wala na si Papa, tandaan mo na lagi lang siyang nakagabay sa atin. And of course, kaming magkakapatid, hindi ka namin pababayaan. Lagi na kaming dito nakaagapay sa'yo. Salamat sa pagpapalaki mo sa amin. Hindi namin ma-achieve kung ano man yung meron kami kung hindi rin dahil sa iyo ni Papa. Dasal ko lang na lagi kang malakas at saka bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay na makasama namin. Happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Sana napasaya ka namin. Sana lagi kayong mag-iingat. Kung ano man yung gagawin nyo, laging dobling pag-iingat talaga yung katawan, good health. Saka maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuting mother-in-law sa akin. Hindi niya ako tinuring ng iba. Maraming salamat kay ni Papa in heaven. Maraming salamat. Sana makasama ka namin ng mas matagal.
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you!
You're growing older and more beautiful each day. You're growing older and more beautiful each day.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa dagdag na taon. Sana ibigyan pa ako ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng katawan araw-araw. And thank you rin sa mga anak ko, manugang ko sa inihanda niyong celebration sa aking karawan. And thank you rin sa aking asawa na nasa heaven na. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon. God bless you all.
When you first said it was over, yeah, it all went black. Didn't get any closure, like a heart attack. But then you came back with flowers, explaining for hours how you intend on winning me back. How could I have known you were still half detached? And I hoped things would change. But I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. Pull the knife straight out of my back. Now it's time to better job and cover up your tracks. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. I bet you didn't think I'd be strong enough to leave you.
Masaya kami na nakikita namin yung mga kapatid ni Mama na ganito healthy, masaya, kahit wala na si Uncle. Bless na bless ka dahil sa tatlong anak mo. Masaya kami para doon. Happy birthday! Isa ka na ngayong official senior, kaya ihanda ng senior card dahil gagala tayo. Age is just a number. Isang number na may discount na ngayon. Wishing you good health, good vibes, at marami pang lakad na makakasama.
Hi, Andy. Happy birthday. Gaya ng wish nila sa'yo lahat. Good health. And congratulations for achieving this another milestone sa inyo. Happy 60th birthday, Andy.
Next time to better job and cover
sa mga pinakamaganda kong tita. At pinagurian ko na rin na pangalawa kong mama. Ante, happy 68th birthday sa'yo.
One day I'll be friends with her. One day, yeah, I'll comfort her. 'Cause one
Ante, happy birthday! Welcome to Dual Citizenship. I hope na lagi kang masaya. More gala with your anakis. And more TikTok and gala with Topi and more planting. Happy birthday!
what you did last night. One day I'll be friends with her. One day, yeah, I'll comfort her. 'Cause one day you're gonna break her heart. 'Cause you love breaking hearts, breaking scars. I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. One day I'll be friends with her. One day
Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo, kapatid. Sana magkaroon ka ng magandang pangatawan lagi at ang buhay natin para tayo ay magkita-kita pa at magsama-sama kung ano man ang gathering, lalo-lalo tungkol sa pamilya.
I can smell her